Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. You want me to greet on her behalf?
Hello, everyone. So, I would want to safely assume that almost 90% of us in here came from another country, and then we are now in the United States. After we came here, some of us got jobs. Some people didn't. And then for those who got jobs, most of us, we are unsatisfied with what we are doing. We really don't have that fulfillment. We don't have joy in the jobs we're doing. Have you ever thought to yourself that you can be more? Not that you're not grateful for where you are, but deep down in you, you know that you can be more. But you just don't know how to go about it. You see so many people, you hear they do corporate jobs, they earn from $150,000 above, and you're wondering, how is this even possible? Is this even magic? And then you just don't know how to go about it. It's really not all about money though, but that fulfillment is what most of us are missing. Before I go further, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Fomafung. I'm the founder and CEO of Agile Consulting. And I have 13 years of experience as a certified coach, a trainer, a mentor. I'm actually certified as a government mentor in the state of Minnesota. And I'm also an author. I just recently wrote a book, From Day One to Success for Professionals. And academically, I have a master's in both the waterfall and the agile project management approach. I have different certifications in the field. And professionally, I have experience in different sectors like the technological sector, health sector, banking and finance, education, utility industry. So as you can see, those people on the screen there are some of the people that we've helped, like ordinary people earning $70 per hour, and in the space of 3 months, they started making over $150,000 per hour. I'm also a serial family person. Next slide, please. So what do we do and why do we do it? We are specialized in providing agile project management services through our customized training, mentorship, apprenticeship, and coaching services. So if you are aspiring to work in the corporate space and you're not very technical and you want to get a sense of fulfillment, given that what you're currently doing, you think it's not enough, and you don't know how to go about it, we can definitely help you achieve that. So how do we do it? Can you go back to the slide? Thank you. So the way we do it is, we don't give half-baked information. We are focused on developing people. It goes way beyond you just trying to make more money. We ensure that by the time we are done with you, you are a brand new person, and you can thrive in any environment you find yourself. So we have what we call the level 1 training, which is more of, we give you the knowledge. Now, from a place of understanding, you go take the certification exams, and through that certification exams, you're able to validate your understanding of the concept. And then we move to phase 2. Phase 2 is where the real deal happens. That's a 2-month program where we focus on helping you acquire the hands-on experience. We all know most of the time you get training, you get certification, but you don't get the job because they are looking for people with real experiences. Nobody want to pay anyone if you don't have the experience, because they don't want you to come and use the organization as your guinea pig. So which is why we have the apprenticeship program. You have an opportunity to lead a real life project, either as a project manager, a technical program manager, a Scrum Master, an Agile Coach, a product owner, a release train engineer, so many things. And then after that, during level 2, that's when we hope you land that dream job. And even after you land the dream job, we don't just leave you hanging. We move you through our 3rd phase, which is what we call job sustainability. It's the level 3 phase, where we follow up with you to ensure that you're keeping the job long term. Next slide, please. So far, some of the things we've been able to achieve, we've impacted over 7,000 people all over the world, not just in the USA. Some of the people we've helped, they work in companies like US Bank, Wells Fargo, Fidelity, Microsoft, Apple, just to name a few. Next slide, please. Yeah, so who are our target audience? Those who are currently working and they are not fulfilled from a career perspective. And then secondly, yeah, so those who are currently working and you don't have that joy, you don't have fulfillment, those are the people that we are helping. Fresh college graduates who are looking for a career in a corporate space, those are some of the people we are helping. And then others may just be people who are currently already, they're in a corporate space, but they heard about Agile, they just love it, and they want to transition. Those are also some of the people we've helped, So in a nutshell, that's what we do. The last slide, please. Yeah, so if you want to learn more or you want to get in contact with us for us to start working on you, that's our contact information right there. We are all over social media, beingagileconsulting.com. Our cards is also all over the table. If you check and see there. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you. And like she said, you can check your tables. There are business cards. You can pick up any business cards and you contact one of these sponsors. All right, we have come to a very special time in our program, and it's the time of our toast.